Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to change vibration pattern on Apple Watch. The first thing you need to do is tap on the side button of your Apple Watch, and once in the menu option you are going to simply scroll down until you see settings. So tap on the side button, then scroll down until you see settings, and from here you are going to tap on settings. Then you are going to scroll down until you see the option that says sounds and haptics. You are going to tap on that, and from here you are going to scroll down until you see haptic alert. Then you will see default or prominent. Default is what normally is set, as you can see right there, or you can change it to prominent. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.